too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, as long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie getting paid. Drip too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, as long as I get paid. Bad little vibe, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie getting made.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Hunt Fish 365. This is Jeremy here. We got trail somewhere over here. My dad's my eyes. My dad is somewhere down there. It's dark. April 16th, which is opening shotgun here in Nebraska. Okay, I need to stop anyways. I spent a lot of time yesterday scouting. The birds have been really quiet the last couple days. And what are you looking at? Oh. Birds have been super quiet. Been driving around trying to find something to hunt for this weekend. I came up with nothing, but thankfully my dad managed to find birds where we knew there would be birds, but I don't think any of us realized how many birds would be back in here. And there's a lot. So, it's a coyote, I think. So, it's early, we're walking back to one of our favorite fields in the whole world. I've killed a couple turkeys back there. Shh. I've killed turkeys out from under Terrell. We're going to change that today, I think, a little bit. Other huge surprise, don't have a camera on him or anything. John is in town.
Woo.
You guys probably remember John from a lot of duck hunting videos in the past if you are a loyal watcher.
Fan.
I also went elk hunting, or we went elk hunting with him last October. I haven't shown that video yet, but it'll come out this fall. But him and a buddy of his are on the other side of the property because there's a lot of birds back in here and we figured we'd need to split up. So it's about 5 o'clock now. We're walking back in here, trying to get into this field stealthily. Next thing you guys will probably hear is a bunch of gobbling, so stay tuned.
That moon is bright.
The moon is bright. Ooh, blinded. Shiny light in cornea. just rolling, so. Alright, we got him.
Sorry, son.
We got him. This is my life mission at this point, to get Terrell a turkey. I feel really bad, so I don't know. This bird shut up on us. Like, he shut up on us hard. And so I thought he might have spooked. But no, he just shut up and was sitting there waiting for the hen to get there. Came up over the hill. I couldn't see him, and he was in that ditch like I thought. And I just heard through the leaves. I think my first shot was at like 45. I hit him, and then he kind of halfway got up, and I finished him like a dang pheasant. You're taking pictures.
I am now.
I'll get pictures with my nice camera back at camp later.
Be recording.
Okay. I don't remember where I left off when it died.
Something about he shot it like a pheasant.
Yeah. Anyways, I ended up shooting that bird like a pheasant. I'm really happy I shot one. I've been working my ass off this season, but I feel so bad for you. Like it. I don't know what it is about Terrell, but I can't seem to kill a turkey with Terrell. But
you need to hunt by yourself.
well,
Or like you said, you just don't carry a
I
gun.
just need to not bring my gun. Maybe. Yeah.
Bring your bow.
I'll bring my bow and we'll get a bunch at like 10 yards.
Yeah. And then you can't hit shit because your sight got
Yeah.
sights got knocked off.
So. Alright, well,
Thanks for watching.
we're gonna head back to the truck.